It is time once again for the Law and You. Always good to see these guys on a Friday evening. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
We're ready. We are ready for the Law and You today.
Excited.
Whatever they throw at us.
Pumped up?
Oh, we're way pumped up.
They are ready to answer this question. Let's get to it. This one is in from Sarah in Hazleton. Sarah says, I work for a large manufacturer and the place is just dangerous. Last week I injured myself when lifting a box that fell off a pallet. I filled out a report and now the company says it's not a work-related injury. What do I need to do? Now, it seems that Sarah didn't report the injury immediately. Does that have any impact on this?
It could. I mean, it definitely could. You know, Sarah, we always say, when you get hurt at work, report it. Even if you think it's something very minor, you got to report it. That is one of the things that the workers' compensation referees, they really look to the reporting requirements. And they should, because, you know, the employers, workers' compensation in Pennsylvania is a no-fault system as long as you report it in a timely manner. If you got hurt and you report it a week later or whatever it may be, there is no way of truly knowing whether in fact you did get hurt at work and whether the employer should be on the hook for your injury. So you might have a tough road to hoe here, you know, that you didn't report it immediately.
Yeah, but the employers always raise a notice defense if they can. So we always talk about it. Hey, file your report and then go see their doctors under the Workers' Compensation Act. You treat with their doctors for 90 days. And if they're saying it's not a work-related injury, then they're going to have the burden of proof showing why it's not. You're going to have your doctor saying, hey, you know, bent down, picked up a pallet, hurt her back. And they'll look for pre-existing conditions if you had any, if there were any other falls, slips, car accidents before this that they can point to. That's how they'll defend the case. But any of these comp cases, make no mistake about it, you need an attorney.
All right, good advice. And our viewers who do get injured on the job and want to talk to you, what's the best way to do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com. That phone rings 24 hours, we answer it.
It sure does.
It does.
It's the hotline. Hotline weekend,
That
you know,
works too.
hotline weekend. Or you can go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
And if you think these guys are excited tonight, just wait until tomorrow morning.
Oh, Saturday
TV
morning.
magic tomorrow morning.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks. See you in the morning.
We'll see you.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.